How to fix Play Store can't install app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't install app on Android phone. First then just go to settings, and then just first you need to go to Play Store and then click on your profile here, and then click settings, and then network preferences, and here you will find this one, app download preferences. Click on it. You will find it on over Wi-Fi only. Then just click over a network and click done. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings and then click apps, and then click apps again. Now just you need to find Google Play Store. Click on it and click for stop, and then just click this one, storage, and then click clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings and apps and go back here, and now all you need to do is just go to the storage and click clear data, and then just restart your phone, and that must be and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.